1, 2, 3,
Good morning and welcome to another vlog, and today we're in my bathroom because I wanted to show you my current makeup routine, and I also bought some new products because this is like one of the things at this time that make me happy to just like, I don't know, ordering skincare and makeup. I really gotten into makeup lately again, so I really wanted to try out some new products and play around a little bit. And yeah, you know, I'm finally getting out of my slump of just like, you know, jogging pants and unwashed hair and no makeup, and I don't know, just getting ready just makes me feel better, and also I get things done then, because if I don't get ready then I really just hang around. You know, of course I'm working also, but you know, after that it's just like hanging around and not going outside. And you know, when I get myself ready, do my hair, do my makeup, put on some nice clothes, then I'm more likely to also do something else. The first thing I always do is of course my skincare in the morning. So I did already wash my face with the Youth to the People cleanser, and then I always use niacinamide in the morning. Niacinamide is really good to even out your skin tone and get rid of like dark spots, especially when you deal a lot with dark circles around your eyes. Niacinamide really helps with that. Of course it will take a while, it's not like an instant effect, but over time you will see that they vanish more and more. And then I use the Ordinary moisturizer. It's like a really, you know, basic moisturizer, but it really does the job. And then of course sunscreen. I use sunscreen every day. Even when I don't do my makeup, I still put sunscreen on. And I use factor 50. So yeah, for me it's really important, I'm really fair to use a high factor of sunscreen, because otherwise, aging will kick in really fast, but also of course sun damage. We all want to avoid this one. So yeah, after sunscreen, and what I always do before I work with concealer is a little bit of prep under my eyes. I'm using the BOBBI BROWN eye repair cream for that. This cream is okay. Oh yeah, I always look a little bit here in the mirror. Find it easier to find my face. Yeah, it's okay. You don't really need an eye cream. You know, you could also just go in with a normal moisturizer, but you know, I bought this one in a set, and yeah, I of course use it until it's done, but I don't think I will repurchase it. With eye creams I just use whatever I have. Sometimes I have samples, sometimes, you know, you get stuff for free, so I just use whatever actually. Or just my moisturizer. Okay, let's get this hair a little bit out of the way, and then we start with the concealer. Maybe I just use a little mirror, maybe that's more handy. Okay, using the mirror for my blush, and then yeah, I always start concealing my under eye area. If I have pimples, I will also put a little bit on top. And I'm just gonna work it in. And yeah, concealer I find always really helpful with brighten your under eye area. It just doesn't make you look so sleepy anymore. Then I got a new product, which is the Too Faced lip injection. Sounds really strange, especially for me to use, because I am more like of a natural makeup kind of gal. But this one, I just love it. I used it already as a teenager, and I know many people don't like it or are skeptical about it, but you know what it basically is, there is like some chili extract in there that will make your lips feel a little bit tingle and they get red, so it stimulates the blood circulation and it looks like your lips are more plump, but it's nothing, you know, chemical or like really chemical happening, you know, that makes your lips bigger. But I like to put this on. Important, don't overdraw with this one. It will look really silly if you do. But yeah, I always do that in the morning, and then when I'm done with everything else, I just wipe the gloss off again because I don't really like glossy lips. But I like this one because it makes my lips really red, and that way I don't have to use lipstick, which I love. This makeup routine is also more like towards spring, summer again, you know, especially for summer. I don't want to have a lot of products. They would just melt, they would just be everywhere except on the places I put them. So I always try to avoid a lot of products in summer. Another new product I got is the Chanel Le Beige Eau de Teint, a water fresh tint. So this is basically, I don't know, I will make like a little more close-up shot of this. It looks really interesting. It's basically, there is water inside here, and then there is pigment particles in here. So it looks a little bit like cluttered foundation, but also looks really interesting. What it basically does, it gives you like a nice glow and it evens out your skin tone, but it's not as heavy as foundation. It doesn't cover anything. So it's really just to give you like a nice, fresh, natural look. And you know, I'm really not into foundations and I don't want to clog my pores, and something like this is always really nice to just give your skin, you know, a little bit of more glow and also even out the skin tone, because I have really a lot of different colors on my face, so I always like to even it out a little bit. And it comes with this really nice brush, which looks, yeah, really fancy. The only thing I have to say, Chanel, is that this container is plastic. I would have expected it to be glass for this price, but you know, it's all good. So then you basically just pump a little bit on your hand, and you can mix it up on your hand or you mix it up on your face. I always kind of like mix it up on my hand, and then you just go in and spread it out over your face. And yeah, you will see it will not cover anything. It really just gives you a nice, fresh, even skin tone. And I'm using color medium. I guess if I would really match it to my skin tone, I would be light, but since we are approaching summer, I found it a little bit wasteful to go with light, because I will get definitely a little bit of a tint, and then light is just too light. The brush it comes with is really nice. It's like a kabuki brush, is it called, I guess? Like those big fluffy brushes. And yeah, I'm in love with this product because it's so lightweight and so nice. The look is just amazing. And you really don't need a lot of this product, so don't overdo it. Then the next thing is blush. I'm using the BOBBI Brown Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks, and this is the color Powder Pink. So this is really like rosé kind of color. I really like rouge, I don't know, I really like it in my routine, just to have some apple cheeks. And then I'm gonna apply also a little bit of highlighter. I'm using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in color Moonstone, so it's like more a golden shimmery highlighter. And I will not put like too much, but just a little bit on my cheeks or cheekbones. And then a little bit in the corner of my eyes, always like that. Brightens up your eyes, opens them up. Okay, then the next thing is brows, and I did like an eyebrow elimination again, and this saves so much time. And then I just brush them through in the morning, get them a little bit more in place, but I really don't have to do a lot with my brows when I do the eyebrow elimination. The only thing I will do is I fill them in a little bit. And I got also a new old favorite of mine. It is the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint in color Taupe. Taupe, I think Taupe is it. And it is really like a grayish kind of brown color, and that's really nice for me because more of those warmer brown tints, they just look really unnatural and they just show up too much, so it's a deadly giveaway. But yeah, I'm just gonna fill in my brows. Then I filled in my brows, as you can see. I just make them a little bit more thicker and a little bit more volume. And now I'm gonna go on top with the EYEKO Brow Gel Style and Define. Still my favorite. This is just, you know, it's such a subtle color and it has a little bit of a glow to it. It just, I don't know, it just makes your brows look so natural and keeps them in place, which is really important. But it's not too much, because sometimes brow gels can be a little bit too heavy on the color and then you just look crazy. In summer I only do my upper lashes, and what I will also use, put a little bit of eyeliner in my waterline to make my lashes appear a little bit thicker, since I only do my upper lashes. And this is the MARC Jacobs Highliner Gel Crayon. If you're not liking this, then, you know, skip further. I know some people are a little bit sensitive. I literally don't mind putting products on my waterline. And then the last product, I got a little sample from the LOEWE Mercier Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. Lots of words, but it's a really nice mascara, and I will definitely get a full size. I always do that with new products, that I first buy like travel sizes, or sometimes you get like samples that you try out first, because I don't want to waste money on things that I might not use, and also it's wasteful for like just throwing away a product that is still full but you just don't like it. So that way I can really try it out for a period of time and decide if this is a product I will continue using. And I really like this one. The brush is amazing, and the mascara itself, I don't know, it's just making my lashes look amazing. I don't know why, but I really love it. So yeah, basically makeup done, and now I'm just gonna swipe off the gloss. And I guess you saw it already, over time they get like really nice and red and they just look amazing. And then I just use the lip and cheek tint a little bit. Yeah, this is me ready for the day, and yeah, it's a really natural look, but I think you see a difference to before and after. And then there's just one more step, of course, a really nice scent. At the moment I'm using the LOEWE Aura White Magnolia, and I just really love it. Got this one from my husband for my birthday, and you know, it's not only aesthetically pleasing, but the scent, so good. So for my outfit of the day, I'm wearing all black, which I recently wore quite a lot, and I'm wearing like those Massimo Dutti leggings again with like the elastic band on the bottom, then my ARKET shoes. The blouse is also from ARKET, a bit like, yeah, Western style, and with that I also paired a little scarf that is inspired by Taupe, but this scarf is also from Massimo Dutti. Yeah, I have to say I really love the Taupe scarves, but they are way too overpriced in my opinion. This is also 100% silk scarf and only cost like 30 euros. The Taupe scarves are like above 100 euros. So yeah, you know, with stuff like this that is like a really like short-lived kind of trend, I will not spend a lot of money on. And then I also paired it again with my And Other Stories hoop earrings. When I go outside, I will just pop on my new bag, which I will also talk a little bit more in next week's vlog. It's like a MM6 Japanese bag, and I attached this little MM6 pouch. So this is me for today. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're just gonna enjoy the rest of our evening and watch The Servant, which is a really good show. And yeah, we have some snacks, some nuts, and we're just gonna enjoy our evening. And yeah, have a lovely week, and I'll see you in the next vlog.